Jimmy's mom, this one's for you. Yeah, she take the world off my shoulder if it was ever hard to move. She turned the rain to a rainbow when I was living in the blue. Right, and if she's so perfect, do I still wish that it was you? Perfect, don't mean that it's working, so what can I do? When you're out of sight, in my mind, 'cause sometimes I'll look in her eyes and that's where I'll find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way that it was. And I'm fine, instead I moved on. I'm only here past the time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us. Tell me he savors your glory, does he laugh like the way I did? Is this a part of your story? What did I have never lived? Oh my God. Maybe one day you'll feel lonely, and his eyes you'll get a glimpse. Maybe you'll start slipping slowly and find me again. When you're out of sight, in my mind, 'cause sometimes I'll look in her eyes and that's where I'll find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch, or feel the way it was. Said I'm fine, instead I moved on. I'm only here past the time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us. Oh my God, Jimmy. Jesus fucking Christ. Sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I'll find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for her touch and think the way that it was. Said I'm fine, said I moved on, only here past the time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us. Oh wait, it's over? God fucking damn it. Jimmy, grab the cocaine.